snugglers from the panty camp. Alright, we've got some lysine to do for travel. Some people. That's Cougar. Cougar is desperate for a hug. Oh, Cougs. Hi, Leo. Hi. I know. Hi. Hi. Can I make some food for you? No, can you just not get your spores all over my laptop? Where are your bowls? Okay. Hi, Bobbles. Someone likes putting the toys in the bowl. Of water in the water bowl. You've got soggy toys. I know. Hi. You guys hungry? You ate so much last night. Guess I'm gonna throw that away. No. Oh, hi. Oh, you're so cute. I know. Hold on. Just clean out your bowls. Bob is sporing the laptop. Thanks, Bob. Let's do this. Hey, nope, no climbing. Who's that? Panther. No, no lazies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No climbing. No climbing. Here you go. There's some food. Oh, I also pop a lot. I know, hi. Hold on. Oh, man, all these cans are empty. It's amazing how much 10 growing kittens eat in one day. Watch out, I'll pop a lot. I need to. No escaping. No. Yet. No. Got my eye. Just scans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right, more food. Ow! No. Panther, hey. Nope. Even though it's not fair because they don't have anything else to climb, I don't want them learning to climb human legs because potential adopters are not charmed by that. Nope. They're not charmed by that. But I also have to be careful with these guys not to discourage them from seeking human contact. Right? Don't want that. So, it's a balance. What'd you do to my laptop, Bob? Oh, Bob. So, lynxers. Okay, so meds. What did I do with meds? What is there? And the lysine, which we're running out of. Okay, they're so delightful. I'm so glad they're starting to feel better. Where's my? You not even need this. Except more delicious. Are you just sleepy or are you? No, Panty Pants. You're a scamp times 50. You are one scamp. You are 50 scamps in one. Marcus, come here. Do you feel like poop? Or are you just sleepy? You have a big day yesterday getting yourself all bathed up. Hmm? Yeah, I should go find a black light actually. Check him out. You're missing out on breakfast. Panty Pants wants everyone to know how big he is. Let's hope the scale works. Ew. I think it's back. I think when I was disinfecting it, I think I got it too wet. Oh, big panther. You're a big boy, aren't you? I love how half of this spreadsheet is like Greek letters and strange numbers. 1328 for panther. Let's up a bit. Let's see. Today is what? The 5th. Holy moly. Alright. That's my syringy little. No. Also plop a lot. I see where you're headed. I see your scampery. Yeah, that's right. This is for you. This is for you. You sure little panther. Ooh, you're such a panther. You're such a little panther. Good boy. All done. Hi, Pumas. So the puma has the ringworm. He's got it under his eye in a little spot, and then I found another spot which I'm going to check. Hey, no, where are you going? Where are you going, Squirmy Pants? Look how I caught you in midair. Caught you. 12:05. Good job, Pumas. So he's gone up a good bit. Move's a good boy. I shall give you your lysine, and then I'm going to check your spot. So one of the things about ringworm is that it's super sneaky and can be hard to detect a lesion. And so it's easier to see now. I don't know if I don't know. I've been contemplating posting pictures on the Facebook page so you can see, like in case you're ever confused, you can see some good examples. But then again, it's not that cute. So I don't know if you can see this, but see around his paw pad how it's like, here's his good one. See there's fur all around it? I know, you're so comfy. And then here, this one is kind of swollen and see, it's hard, that's something like that, hard to detect. Especially initially because the hair just started to, it becomes very brittle with the ringworm, and so when I was cleaning it and I found this, it became more bald. So it's easier to see now, but it's pretty hard to detect. Oh, tummy, you're getting a tummy rub, aren't you? And he also has it. What first tipped me off was this tiny black patch under his eye, which is also grown, but it was quite tiny at first. It's hard to tell when they have the upper respiratory if it's just because their eyes are runny and they've been you know, washing their faces a lot. What a good boy. What a good boy. Yep. Oh, you're so cute. Look at the, can you believe the Puma is allowing this? Remember when he first came? He was so scaredy. He was such a scaredy Puma. Now he's a good boy. You are a scamp over there. Okay. Anywho, maybe you guys aren't interested in that, but yeah, so it is hard to treat when it's that close to the eye. That's why I use the Q-tips. And you do want to be careful because you don't want the solution going in their eyes, but you also don't want the ringworm to, because they groom their faces so much. That's likely how it gets on their paws, etc., etc. It's just a nasty fungus. Hi, Lynxers. This one's for you, big boy. What do you have on your tail? Wet. 11:03, 11:05 for the Lynxers. That's good. Remember when he was one of the little ones? All floof and no kitten. And while I have you, are you gonna sit still in that box for me? Probably not. I give you a little scruff. A mini scruff. Good boy. His eye's looking much better though. The hair is actually starting to grow back, which is good because he's a little bit lopsided. He's not quite as handsome as he would normally be. And he feels embarrassed about that. Right, Lynxy Poo? I still have to bring in my stuff from the bathing party, which is where my black light is. But he just looks much better. I did find a small crusty patch on his arm, buried deep within the floof, but I didn't see anything else on him. It's a lot easier to actually find things when they're wet, because some of the crust kind of floats up. But it's very difficult to find the small patches. What a good lynx you are. They are still on the antibiotics. If they were the ones with fevers, once they get a fever, they're going on a course of antibiotics. Siberia will be getting another x-ray next week to check out his lungs, and he'll continue to be on antibiotics until then, and then Dr. Ferguson recommended we stay on him a week after he gets a clear x-ray, because we don't want the pneumonia to come back, obviously. Another reason, one of the many, many reasons that I love me some Dr. Ferguson is because she always says, if it was my cat, this is how I would. What did you do? Why are you all wet? Were you sitting? Oh, did you spill water? You did, didn't you? You're a scamp. You're a little scamp. She always says if it was my pet, and so we treat them we don't give them the minimum viable treatment that most shelter animals get. She actually recommends a course of action and then she makes it financially possible to do that by donating. And she worked with he's $12.94. He's a big boy. Big boy. She worked with Novartis to get us the dewormer totally for free, which is amazing. Because you have to do it every 2 weeks, and it adds up when you've got 10 kittens. So imagine how much it costs the shelter. But anyway, she's doing everything she can to help us get product for free, and then donating her time and x-rays, and she's just giving these guys way better care than we would normally be able to afford. And it's just awesome. She's the best. Even Jaguar agrees. And she took his temperature. So Jaguar had the ringworm on the bottom of his foot, which is wet right now because they've been playing in the water that they spilled. But you can see on this heel, see how this one has wet fur on it? This one's like a bald kind of. You can see his black skin there. So this is a lesion that's healing. And then he also, if you look at his pinky toes on his front feet, little tiny spot there. And I was keeping an eye on this side because it looked like it could have been, but it never fluoresced, but I was treating it. So that's my Jaguar. Look at that. What a good boy. What a good boy. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine having this guy? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, Panther wants to watch X Factor. Scamperoo. And he also wanted to change Jaguar's weight, but for tomorrow. Let's wait tomorrow. I'm gonna put away with it. I think we're out of the woods as far as temperatures go. God willing, hopefully. Finally. Okay, did you steal my syringe again, Scamperoo? Oh, did you want to go next? Okay. Ooh. 9:65. Good girl, 9:65. Okay, so that's good. 9:65. Margalicious is gonna get. This is what I'm giving them. Is the they're all getting this Viralis, which is the lysine supplement, nutritional supplement, which helps with the this virus that they have, which they're getting better from. So Margay, whoops, if you look at her, you can see on her face that black patch on that side, on her left side. I don't know if, well, anyway, see the black patch? No black patch. That started out the same as Puma's did, just a tiny little thing, and since she was one of the snarfly virus ones, I was hoping, even though I knew it wasn't, I was hoping that it was just a patch from all the wiping of her face, but no. And then I found a tiny little spot on her forehead that is hopefully no longer active. And I didn't find anything else on her yesterday. We did run out of time a little bit towards the end, but she doesn't have anything obvious. Right, Margalish? Oh, look at those two. That's adorable. The twinsies are having a little nap together. I should take a picture with my camera that's outside in the other room somewhere. Yeah, I can get out and back in without moving. And by the camera. They did a number on that paper towel roll I put in here. Oh, I forgot I had this one. Forgot. Ooh. Oh, did you close the laptop again, Marks? Alright. Okay. You're a scamp. disinfecting on this laptop. Oh, was it Lynx? Was it this guy? Oh, you're such a scamp. Such a little scamp. Look at this blue. Alright, let's see. Where were we? Boy, Jack's is getting tall. Alright, I haven't done Ocelot yet. Hi there. Are you winding down, Scamperoo? No. $12.06. About, oh good, that's about 12:06. And I don't know if I mentioned yesterday, the positive cultures so far are Ocelot from the first round, but not the second round, which is good. You we actually got cleared so far. Anyway, still too early to tell. Lynx, jaguar, panther, cougar. So all the ones that I suspected came back positive. So it'll be interesting to see if Margay, who had no lesions, and Bobcat had no lesions, and Puma had no lesions at the time we did the fungusy. So it'll be interesting to see how they come back. And also, they can still be positive and not have any lesions. So like Siberia and Leo, who are the only two remaining kittens that are not showing any lesions. It'll be interesting to see if they would turn positive. Hi Sibs, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. You want to go? So at this point, we're looking at a retest, hopefully at the end of this week, depending on how confident I am that the lesions are no longer active. If they're still active, there's no point in doing it. It will just delay us longer. 12:56. Good boy. Such a big boy. So I don't want to test again until I'm pretty confident that they're going to be negative. But so we'll see. After another bath tomorrow, and I'm going to treat them all tonight. Oh, where are you going? You're going to get some antibiotics coming to you, mister. Here's your lights. Good boy. Good boy. Don't go anywhere. You're a scamp. So 12:56 times 15 divided by 0.62. This times this. This divided by Oh, so it should be 1.256. Calculating dosage based on new weight. Okay, big boy. What a good boy. Scamper along. Oh, look who's coming closer. He's ready to do some playing. He was just playing soccer. No, come in. 1481. Remember when he was so teeny tiny? Oh, you're getting antibiotics. 1.421. So 34 for you. You're such a good boy. No, where are you going? But I've got drugs for you. Gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha. Hi. Ready? Good boy. 1 of 2. Ready? Good boy. Off you go. Alright, who's next? Cougs and Bob. Alright, well, Bob's right here. Okay, Bob. Because I want to deworm Bob's like right now, but I can't. So I have to wait till next week. 831. Oh, that's way up. That's great. Up from 764. That's very good. So 0.83. Let's see how much she gets. Good. Oops. Hey, I'm not done with you yet. I know you love your scratching boost. Ready? Oh, Bob. Look at Bob. Bob, this is why the boys love Bob so much, because when she's done eating, that's what her face looks like. Oh, Bob, what are we going to do with you and your little messy face? Ooh, I think this might be the last round of lysine. Whoops. Oh, you're so adorable. I hope Bob will forgive me someday for all the things that I... Oh. Siberia's doing much better, but still has pneumonia. Even though I make makes it hard to tell. Oh, Bob. So Bob, I discovered on her a terrible lesion that showed up really quickly on her foot. Right here. You know, Bob. I don't know if you can see that. And that's in addition to the one she has on her tail. So we worked on that a good bit yesterday, much to her delight. It's gonna need some more treatments though, that's for sure, because it's a huge one. So I think I was saying about time. Oh, Bob, you're so cute. I think I was saying about timeline before. Oh, your little snout is so dirty right now. So if we get them retested at the end of the week and they all come back negative, then we do another test. It takes 2 weeks for us to get a result, and then we do another test in 2 weeks, and then we wait 2 weeks for that result, and if it's negative again, then they can go for adoption. Now, because they still have the worms and the pneumonia and the upper respiratory, they'll have to be healthy enough to get their spays and neuters, and hopefully in 4 weeks they will have had 2 more rounds of deworming, which we will definitely need at least that much. And here's Scamp. The pneumonia could be cleared up in 2 weeks. And then we just need some healthy time. So, but if you can see, see Bob, do you see how big her tummy is? I mean, she's got just a huge tummy. You can just see it, how bloated it is. That's a sign of, and if you feel her, she's got very sharp bones. It's both because she's been sick and not eating as much, but her tummy is just disproportionately huge compared to her body, which is a sign of intestinal parasites, which is what, if you look on the Facebook page, I posted the picture that Dr. Ferguson sent of the roundworm larva. That's from the poo sample. So they've got intestinal roundworms. And we can't deworm again until next week, because we have to do it we can't do it more frequently than every 2 weeks when they're this little, unfortunately. Yeah, so oftentimes you'll see a nice fat belly and you'll think, oh, healthy kitten eating a lot, but if you can feel if they seem skinny elsewhere, and I don't know, I'll ask Dr. Ferguson if there's another way to tell if it's from eating or from worms. What's going on over there? To me it just looks like I can just tell that it's disproportionately, like Ocelot too, if you look at him. He's not skinny, but like that, look at it from that angle. That's a bloated tummy. That's not a healthy fat kitten. Oh, you look so regal, Puma. Oh, this guy. Oh. Hi, Cougs. So, Cougar, 1173. See, let's see, now just like that, I forget. So easily distracted. 1163. Hi, Cougs. No panty pants. I see what you're doing. You go play with your friends. You too. Go play with your little friends. Oh, who's that? Oh, that's Bob. So 6, 3, oops, no. Cougs is on antibiotics too. Not that much actually. Come here, you. They're on Clavamox. Just the ones who have had the fevers with their upper respiratory. And we will get releasing. Oops, whoa. And poor Cougs has got quite the case of the ringworm too. Oh boy. Okay, meds are done. Shoo. Okay, so I think I got everybody. Got weights, we've done meds. Oh, you. So on Cougar, you can see obviously his nose and his chin. The nose started out normal. If you look back at the beginning of the Facebook pictures, he had no signs. Like if you look at his face, it's perfectly clear, perfectly normal. The black started happening on his chin. Actually, it started red. It was just red and a little bit inflamed, which is kind of normal for kittens when they're eating food. They'll get that sometimes. But then his nose started turning black too. And let me just feel that looks funny here. Panther had some in his whiskers at one point. So then I noticed on his tail, you'll start seeing that it's going to be, he'll have a bald ring around his tail there. And then I found one on his arm. I don't know if you can see that actually, but this is a few days after, so it gets like a white crust on, well, some of them, they all can be different, but this one had a thick white crust on it, which was very fluorescent under the black light. It looks like it's doing better, but I think it was still fluorescing a little bit. Where are you going, Lynxies? So we'll keep working on that. We'll do another round tonight. What are you doing, Lynxers? So right now I'm hoping that most of the ringworm, the ones that have had it. Oh, hey, Panther, no, we don't attack Bob. We attack, you know who we attack? Attack this guy. He's ferocious. No, Panther. Oh my goodness, Bob, run, Bob, run. Good girl, no, not to my laptop, but I will protect you, I know. Your face looks cleaner. Little Bob, with your tail. I know I did. I did horrible things to you yesterday. Poor little foot. Poor little foot. So in theory, the stuff I'm using to treat them for the ringworm, the pure oxygen, is supposed to clear up the ringworm in just 2 treatments, 2 like baths. That obviously was not the case because we've now done it 3 times and I've been spot treating them. Spot treating is not super effective because obviously if you miss a lesion, then they'll just keep getting infected. Right, Bob? You know what that's all about, Bob, don't you? Oh, Bob. You're so adorable. So we're gonna do another round of baths tomorrow. I'm trying to I'll try to make arrangements for that. It seemed like it was a lot easier to do at laps. Oh my goodness, you're so if there's a water bowl around, someone will jump into it. Guaranteed.
have to make some arrangements, figure out what time we're gonna do that. If we do it at laps, it has to be 4 or earlier. It took us till, I don't know, it was after 6, so it would probably have to be even earlier on Wednesday. We'll have to see. We probably could have used another set of hands.
You need some food, don't you? Hi, Bobbles. Alright, so meds are done. We'll do another round of meds later today, as always. Try to keep everybody going in the right direction. Hopefully we're out of the woods with this upper respiratory, because if someone was going to get it, they should have gotten it by now. And I think they've all been a little sneezy at one point or another, so let's hope the worst is over on that stuff. Are you stuck? Oh, maybe I need to start trimming some of your nails. Maybe I need to start with yours. You don't seem like you'd be too traumatized. I haven't been doing their nail clippings because I haven't wanted to traumatize them because of all the like other horrible things that are being done to them. But maybe now it's time. Oh, there's over there. But first, let's refill the food. All right. Oh yeah, you're about to get your nails trimmed. No, no, nope. Nope. Good boy. No, good boy. Come here. Good boy. No, no. No, good boys are on the ground. Good boys don't climb legs. Here's a bowl of food for you. Oh, don't attack it, you little scamp. Little scamp. Breakfast. Round 2. Hey, you get your ringworm foot off my laptop. My poor laptop probably has spores all over it. Look at all the crevices. I'm gonna have to do a super disinfect on it, I think. Alright. So I had fun on the step ladder, but I took it out because it's got, even though I can disinfect it, it's got too many little cracks and crevices that, hey, nope. That can be, like, spores could fall into. Here you go, Bob, there's one just for you. Nope. Alright, let's see about, oh, Panther, come here. Come here, Panther, Panther. I think there's, let's see how this goes. I've not tried, I've not attempted a nail clipping. Oh, let's try it. This is not, you open